Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to add League of Legends to your Steam library. So in order to add League of Legends to your Steam library, firstly all you need to do is go to the search panel and search for League of Legends. Now click on the open file location. After clicking on the open file location, all you need to do is copy the URL of the file. At the top, left click, then just right click to copy, then close it. After that, open your Steam. You can also use the search panel to open up Steam. After opening your Steam, click on the Add a Game button on the bottom left hand side of the screen. From here, you need to click on Add a non-Steam game. After that, all you need to do is click on the Browse button. And from the folder URL section, right click, paste, then head to that folder. From here, click on League of Legends. Then click on Open, and now you can see that League of Legends has appeared in here. Just left click on it to add the selected program. Now League of Legends is in your Steam library. Now you can further customize it by giving it a cool background. In order to do that, right click on the background section. Click on Set Custom Background. Now from here, click on any image that you want to add as the background. Left click, and the image will be set as the custom background. So after all this, if you just click on the play button, your League of Legends file will open and you can play League of Legends from your Steam. So this is how you can easily add League of Legends to your Steam library.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.